Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
I'm Angelica.
I'm Bree.
And I'm Bella.
Alright, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial.
We are going to be recreating a CATRINA look so you can go snatch some men's on Halloween.
Snatch them real quick.
Oh my god. Hangover RX primer. From Too Faced. And you're going to use 1, 2, 3 pumps. 3 pumps. And apply it to her face. It's like fresh or whatever. It's that pregnancy glow. Yes. Show me your belly. Who said I was pregnant? You can see it with your black. Okay. Ay, valió verga. Hold on. Let me pop out with my sponge. It's not doing it. Should you get it? What foundation is this? We never even said what foundation this is. This is Sleek. Hey, you saw the shit? I know, what do you think I put my head? Oh, shit. Chorro. Le dio chorro. She was in front of the camera, she got scared.
And the shade medium sand. You need someone to unlock your man's cell phone? She's the one to call.
That'll be another video. We reveal how you do it.
Yep.
Look up again. I don't want to poke your eye, but I'm like, sorry.
Then we'll be able to see what I'm doing when I'm unlocking that phone.
Alright, now we're gonna bronze her face with the Anastasia one. This one's so good. It's Saddle. The shade Saddle. Get it. It is the bomb. Wait, did you get the Saddle one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna start off. Grab any contour brush, bronze brush, and you're just gonna swipe it once. Alright. Go like this.
Oh, I'm dropping everything. Earthquake! Just kidding. I can start running and do that shit.
When?
We're gonna make her Hummer windshield wiper forehead look a little bit smaller.
We're gonna do like a before and then after. Before, after.
Wait, what are you trying to say?
No, like
like
it
that.
looks good.
Wait.
The bronzer made you look good.
Outline her cheekbones with the Italia light medium.
They're cheap and they're so good.
Okay, Brianna, suck it in. See?
Where he's like, yo, alright, yo, ain't shit. Yo, ain't shit. Okay, go like that.
Let me blend you on my phone. Don't look, it's almost like we're twins. It's the Morphe 350 palette. Look at this beautiful palette. And it is shade Stone. Stone. Come on, right
Stone
here.
for you. To stone those men out there. The cheaters.
Mm-hmm. They know who they is. Pun intended.
It doesn't look good. Just keep it to yourself. Don't comment stuff like, I understand know how to blend. What is in that? You know what? It's our first time doing this. We're trying to do it this way.
We all started somewhere. Your daddy's ball sack.
Or swimming in there.
So, but y'all, your mama should have swallowed y'all.
A lot of y'all.
Let me see. Go like that. Fast. Hey.
Yours looks like a perfect line. Mine is so harsh. It's okay though. It's a competition. We will see who wins.
Oh wait, you started recording? Oh shit. What? I don't know. Starting.
Now we're gonna darken her cheeks. We're trying to hollow them out so it looks like she doesn't have cachetes for days. So using the 350 palette, and we are going to be using shade Muddy. It is the last row
Next to the black.
next to the black. This one right here.
We tap it twice. Every time tap it twice.
And then blend on your hand.
You can just blend, blend, blend.
So you don't look patchy or muddy.
I go down. You go down too?
Yeah.
Go downtown.
Go down.
A bitch's birthday.
Okay, I don't want to do it so much.
If you guys haven't tried these, give them a try. And it's not sponsored,
No
but if y'all
sponsor.
want to sponsor us,
You're like, we buy these a lot, so it'll be nice if we got them for free.
Sure, we should sponsor fucking beer.
Yes!
hey, that's on Friday.
It's tequila. Mostly tequila.
Tequila.
And tequila.
Oh, we're gonna get a new bottle. I forgot to tell you guys.
What? When?
When?
The rose one, the new one that just came
Oh,
out.
wait, the one that you said?
Mm-hmm.
Wait
Oh,
for
we-
those. Oh,
we
we're
are-
gonna record the
Yes.
video drinking to that.
Drinking to that. Every time you guys hear us fucking cackle like the hyenas that we are, you take a shot.
Yes.
The life is crazy. Like, it's fucking fun and crazy. But like Angelica said, pero ya me enamoré. I'm very madly in love with my boo. And then now I'm gonna go.
Little
gonna-
Mufasa moment. Eggplant. No, the
Oh, me
nose
Mercier.
literally. I mean, we don't have to blur that out because I don't think most people know what verga means. Like it's not that they could. It looks like another shape. They're gonna be like, I know verga. I eat it all the time. Alright, no more.
Like, me la trago.
Oh shit, my hand shook like ah.
We're gonna be using these from Spirit. It's little ones you can find anywhere during the Halloween season. And my little stuffs from the beauty store. Ones, I think the gold ones will be better. Ones will be better.
Oh my god, you know what we forgot? Oh my god, you know what we forgot? To contour this little thing right here. Remember to make her look like.
Oh, it's okay, girl.
We'll do that right now.
We can do that.
do that right now.
We can do that.
Huh? You know,
Make
yeah.
me look mad?
Well, sorta.
I already look mad.
Like. You're not my dad. Fucking noodle. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm just kidding.
Jesus
Christ.
You can imagine Rihanna saying, "You're not my dad."
Oh my god, you fucking noodle. Do you guys know Ano? I mean Anuel. Double A, Anuel. We went to his concert and it was lit.
That's why it's Las Bebesitas.
Yes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be part of La Bebesitas cruise.
Yes, please. Be like, comment what song you guys like about Anuel, and everyone's gonna be like, we don't even like him. Like, okay, that didn't hurt my feelings or anything. It did. Okay, go like that. Like that. Huh? We're gonna do it like the concert. What do you say? Hasta la que?
Muerte.
Oh, we improvised. How small did you do the heart? Oh, you did pretty big.
That's what you said.
Literally though, we're like the best girlfriends ever. Yes.
If you ask us.
Yeah. But yes, our boyfriends.
Like they're evil. They just make up stories and but we still love them.
But we cute or whatever.
Yeah, all they think about is makeup and dick. Like, damn, like, why you gotta expose us like that? All you think about is dick. All you wanna do is have sex.
We don't do
Be
that.
like, Angelica, that's you, girl.
Yeah, like, we don't do that. What is sex?
Guess that's all. While Brianna's like 20 months pregnant.
She's like, I've never had sex before. I'm a virgin.
De los hocico por fuera.
What is it? That thing that people have on their
Cataracts?
Is that what it's called? I think I have it. I got diagnosed just right now. Yo, we're doctors because we watched every fucking season and episode of Grey's.
You're my person.
Yes. And then we are also going to be lawyers and probably murderers because we watched How to Get Away with Murder.
That's
Ding!
dope.
Get a knife.
Ding. Get a knife.
Murder. If your man cheats on you,
Shank.
shank, 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 shank. And then, or just poison him. I mean, look. Should I? You got a mole.
What is that?
Might as well do your pelitos.
Look like my brother.
Which one? Which one of the three?
Little pelitos.
Oh my fucking god. All the
It looks
fucking
like a dick,
same.
no like. It looks like a dick.
Shrimp dick.
Don't worry, I'm gonna fix it right now. Just give me a second.
Where the little pelitos like by the
I'm gonna dry your ball hair, right? What the fuck is that?
Wait, you're not gonna do the dick? Okay, I thought you were gonna do the dick. I was like, you're not gonna do it right. People are gonna be like, hell yeah, I want a dick on my chin.
People are gonna be like, hell yeah, I want a dick on my chin.
Tengo una sed de perro.
You see why it comes out like a dick?
Start working on her eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz.
That one's good. And
And
the dip brown.
medium brow.
But I'm shaking. Like, this is me. I am gonna do the line. Oh, you guys want to see my tat? Hey.
That shit's expensive.
Hey, wait. Stop me already. Let me fix the top.
Ooh. Oh. Ta-da!
So what I do, I use tape, regular tape. Put it in the corner. Face it up. Like that. We're going to use from the same palette the shadow called Universal.
Let me see that to the camera. And like this one.
We're going to move on to the Naked palette. What that is. Urban Decay Smokey. We're going to use the shade. Does I say the names? Oh yeah, it does. Dagger. Just this one right here.
Because it's so big. So I'm like, let me just keep your eyes closed. Oh, I can use mine.
So pretty. And we're gonna use Morphe brush. I already had told them, but I don't know if I was recording. The M134.
Alright, well, this is the final look.
The final product. Hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe.
Bebesitas, please. We need more bebesitas in this world. You like Anuel? Thank God. If you don't, it's still fine. You can be a follower.
And we'll be posting our IGs down here somewhere.
Yes.
Or up top.
And any other information about eyeshadows, brushes, anything, we'll put it in the description box. Alright.
Thank you.